Hello, crypto enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of sending your Bitcoin from Binance to another cryptocurrency exchange. Whether you're looking to trade on a different platform or diversify your holdings, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Accessing Binance and logging in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Once you're on the Binance homepage, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your Binance account. Step 2. Navigating to the Overview section. After logging in, hover your mouse over the Wallet tab in the top navigation menu, then click on Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Spot Wallet section where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Locating and selecting Bitcoin, BTC. Within the Spot Wallet section, look for the Bitcoin, BTC, row in the list of available cryptocurrencies. Click on Withdraw next to Bitcoin to proceed to the withdrawals options for BTC. Step 4. Copy and paste your receiving address. Copy your wallet's address, where you want to receive the withdrawed Bitcoin on. Paste this address in the following window. Always double-check this. Step 6. Enter the amount to withdraw. Fill in the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw from your account. Always check you have selected the right wallet. We select the Spot wallet. Now press on Withdraw to send your Bitcoin to your other wallet. Congratulations, you have solved that problem. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Was this video helpful? We appreciate every way of support. But a sub would be great. See you next time.